Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get the Microsoft Office programs for free, legally. But before I begin, definitely like, comment, and subscribe as it helps support the channel, excuse me. So the Microsoft Office programs, we're talking about Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, and Microsoft Excel. Typically, if you don't work for a school or a business or corporations, typically you do have to pay for these programs on a personal computer to install these programs. If you have an Outlook email, or even if you create an Outlook email, you can get these programs for free, legally, on the web. Now you can't download them, but they are internet-based, web-based programs. So as long as you have an internet connection, you'll be able to use these programs online. And they have the same features as they would if you bought them and you downloaded them. You just can't download them, but everything saves to the cloud, and they act as the same programs as if you bought it. So I'm going to link in the description of my previous videos how to create an Outlook email. You may already have an Outlook email, which is totally fine. But if you don't, I'll link it in the description just so we can start from square one. But for now, I'm going to jump into a web browser. And what I want you to do is I want you to go to www.office.com. Once you go to office.com, you're going to click this person at the top right hand corner. It says sign into your account. If you have an Outlook email already, you can sign in. If you haven't created one yet, see below, in the video in the description, make an Outlook email. So I'm just going to log in. Save. All right, so once you're logged in, you're going to see this, this welcome layout, and you're going to see different icons. You're going to see the Outlook, which is obviously your email if you want to jump in that to look at your email. You're going to see OneDrive, which acts as cloud storage. So if you think about it, OneDrive is similar to Google Drive. Google Drive is tied in with Google. OneDrive is tied in with Microsoft. So very similar, but totally two different things. So here, this is what we're looking at. Word, Excel, PowerPoint. Right here, you have access to these for free. So if you click on Word, you can make whatever template you want. You could do new blank document, general notes, APA, so on and so forth. So I'll just do new blank document. And it'll open up Microsoft Word as if you actually opened it up if you had the program on your computer. Except this, like I said, this is all internet-based applications. So just make sure you have internet at the house or wherever you're at so you can pull up these programs. So I'm going to just type in, some words here, test, and see how it says saving? It saves automatically to your OneDrive. And I will show you how to access this document. So we're done, we're done typing, document's finished. Click on the app launcher right here next to Word. Then from here, click on OneDrive. And here, as you can see, I have a couple files already saved, but it'll say the document you were just on. So it'll say just now, the one you were just working on. And it'll have this little blue, I don't know what this is, some type of feathers or something, I don't know. But yeah, so just look for just now. I think this has the same thing because I've named it the same thing. And this was also named the same one. But you're mainly looking for just now, the document you just created. So if you go back to App Launcher and click on PowerPoint. Same thing, it has the full features as if you would see PowerPoint on your computer. We'll do new blank presentation. Click to add title, test title. It's saving automatically. Any changes you make saves automatically to your OneDrive. So if you click the square right here and then click on OneDrive, it'll show right here just now the presentation we just started to make. Saves automatically. You don't have to worry about clicking save or save as. And that's another thing. When you use these programs normally on a computer, you have to hit save every time you make changes. You have to hit save as, you just have to save it somewhere. You don't have to do all that. If you just sign into your Outlook email on the web, you can create documents and it saves it automatically. So I know I touched on this a little bit in the email video, but I wanted to make a full video to explain everything. So definitely like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.